Happy New Year, lovelies, and good morning. Do you know you can earn 6 to 10 different ways on Facebook with your smartphone? Just 6 to 10 ways. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn 6 different ways. This is what we call real passive income. In this 2026, there is no dulling down. If we've been walking in 2025, we are going to run in 2026. But this is a disclaimer, you guys. I'm not a financial consultant. I'm not trained to come here and give you this vibe. I'm only sharing the tips that have worked for me that they can work for you. Don't forget, you're tuned on Immaculate Show. Together with my team, we are delighted to bring for you these 6 ways that have helped us earn money continuously. It's passive income. And for you, before I forget, you guys, my top engagers, this is so awesome. This is your kiss. Thank you very much. Let's dive in and see these 6 ways. Simple, easy, they are beginner friendly. Anyone can use them, whether you have Android, whether you have iPhone, are you having a laptop, or you are having a camera, you can use them. So stick with us and see how we can do passive income. The first one is photos. If you have a Facebook account, you have a Facebook profile, these photos, they give you money on a daily basis, on an hourly basis. What do I mean photos, and why did I bring it at first? I bring it 90, I can give it 90%. 90% of the income that we earned in 2025 from photos. So what you need to do with photos, terms and conditions apply on Facebook. You need to make your photos very clear. You need to have a good ratio. Let it be bright. Let it not be broad. When it is broad, it might less or it might decrease your earning power. I came to find out that my earning power on these photos has been $0.05 now per 1,000 views. Now imagine, per 1,000 views you're getting $0.05. That is my standard now. What about someone who is earning a $0.5? That is a lot of money, and it is a photo. Then we have text. When we are talking about text, those are write-ups. You have seen sometimes people do the write-ups only. Write-ups on Facebook, they make you earn money. The third one is reels. Reels, or you can call it videos. Recently in 2025, reels and videos were merged, so they are the same. Whether it is a reel, whether it is a video. What you need to do, you need to make sure that your reel is it has a proper ratio of the Facebook, that is 9 to 16, or Instagram way, or TikTok way, that ratio of it. And you have to make sure that it is clear, it is not broad, and also you have to make sure that it is above 10 seconds. This is where some people make a mistake. You put a reel, it is less than 10 seconds. If it is less than 10 seconds, it means it is not going to be eligible, monetized. You will have views, but it might not be monetized. Then we go to the story. Most of us, we always share our stories, but we didn't know that it is paying. You guys, stories, most people have earned money in 2025. And now in 2026, we are ready to earn more. But the trick on these stories is one, what I came to learn. If you're putting a story, let it be catchy. Let it also direct people to your to your videos. Let someone feel, let me go and check my videos. It has been the third way of earning money on Facebook for us in 2025. Then we have bonus. These bonuses, they pushed us so much. 2025 was beautiful to the extent that almost weekly we have those bonuses. I can call them like incentives. They give you, if you do this, you'll get this. If you do this, you get this. They are pushing you to reach somewhere. Then there is subscription. Subscription, you can also earn from there, but it is not guaranteed, because subscription is when someone takes a step to pay money to you on your account, depending on how you're going to set it up, such that can get exclusive information. Like now, people who want to say, Ime, we want to learn this, Ime, we want to learn the other. Instead of you going to ask for masterclass and other things, you come and pay subscription. The moment someone pays subscription, automatic, I will have to attend that person. Then we have, last but not least, is stars. Stars is one of the best that people have earned from there. It is also per dollar. 1 star is equal to 0.01. So when people give you stars, it's like the way they can give you gifts on TikTok. It is converted into money. And these are all different ways. We have other ways. We have a different way of earning money. It is called brand partnership. Brand partnership also is okay on Facebook. People partner with you, brands come for you, you find yourself, you're advertising them, or you're sitting them, or you're doing, it's like you're marketing them, not like you are marketing them. So the moment you're marketing them, they will take a share and you'll take a share. These all, at the end of the day, they might be from one post, from one photo. One photo will bring for you a text. One text will bring for you a reel. A reel, you can put it on the story. And out of this all, when they have given you incentives and bonuses, you find yourself, you're getting incentives here. So it is very easy for you to earn on Facebook, provided you station yourself. Now a pro tip I'm going to give you before we finish this video. All this, they will come if you're consistent, if you're focused, and if you're ready to learn. Don't forget to always watch your analytics. Get to know what your audience wants. And there we go. 2026, our aim is higher and multiple than 2025. If you know you've been monetized and you didn't know that you can earn money from different ways on Facebook, please put it in the comment section. And if you're not yet on Facebook, please follow this format. Make sure at least you can earn from 3 ways, 3 and above on a daily basis. You'll come and thank me later. Don't forget to share this video. This is a mind blowing video in 2026. And please engage, share, comment, and let us know what you think in the comment section. Bye-bye. Disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes. We give you 10% of the knowledge. The 90% you should go and research. If you want to take it, you take it. So get to know, treat this video as educational video. We are not financial buoyant, no, we are not financial experts or